Hey guys, so I'm going to show you how to download Fortnite for your iPhone 11 or any other iPhone. Now, on other platforms, you usually will, so for Android for instance, you have to go to Fortnite.com to download, but for iPhone, you go into the App Store. So once you're in the App Store, again guys, this icon right here. So once you're in the App Store, then in the bottom right corner, press on the search. And you're going to search for Fortnite. Alright, so for me, I did download this before, so it shows this cloud icon. But if you have not downloaded it, then it's gonna say get. So you're just gonna press on that icon. Now, this is gonna take a little while to download. It should appear, yeah, on one of your last pages at the end. Now, once you download the initial file, you're gonna press on it. And you're going to have to log into either create an account or log into your account in order to download the update. The update is about like 9 gigabytes, and you do need that in order to actually use it. And then once you download that, if you're having trouble, it's probably because of storage issue. So just make sure that you have enough storage to download it. It would say at the top, it would say like not enough memory or something like that. But hey guys, I'm just gonna sign in. Let's see, sign in with Epic Games because I did this before. Alright, so once you're signed in, then I'm just gonna press, well, you don't have to, I'm just gonna press, I'll press don't allow. You're just gonna press this install button. Alright, so yeah, be back soon. It's going to take a while to update. But yeah, guys, hopefully this helped out.